Are you looking for a beach property? Look no further. Lake Windermere Point of View is sought after for its location beside James Jerboe Beach, and its pool, 2 hot tubs and gym also complement this development. You have restaurants and shops all close by and a paved path to downtown Invermere. There's also boat, sea-doo, stand-up board, and kayak rentals, only a short walk away. Bright and beautiful describes your first glance of this second floor condo. It is south-facing with lots of natural light and open living space. The kitchen is a nice size with solid wood cabinets, tile flooring, and black appliances. There's plenty of storage. The breakfast nook is always ideal too, for extra dining space or just hanging out with the cook. This condo has flawless laminate flooring throughout the main living space, giving you elegance and low maintenance. The electric corner fireplace is great for those cooler evenings, alongside the pool, mountain, and partial lake views. The covered deck has the perfect full tree sheltering you from direct sun and giving you privacy without taking away all of your view. This is a great open space. The floor plan is ideal with the master bedroom on one side and the guest room on the opposite side of the living space. The master bedroom has a large walk-through double closet into your full bathroom with 4-piece ensuite. Again, tile flooring. So nice having another 4-piece bath for your guest bathroom. Nice and convenient right beside the bedroom. Lake Windermere is known for year-round activities. It's not just for summer fun. You also get 1 underground parking stall with this unit.